Assalamualaikum. I am Nazmul Haq Bhuiya. I will show you the how to create a VM machine and using Oracle Linux. So I have a VM VirtualBox installed on my machine. So now we have to create a Oracle Linux virtual machine. So first we have to go the new, and the new box is show. Then we have to type here name. What is the name will be this virtual machine. So Oracle Linux server 11G database DBA. So this is the name I put, and this is the Oracle VM name. So click next, and this is the window showing the how will be the RAM in your virtual machine. So you have to change the values, or you have to put a new values. So it should be the 2 gigabyte is better for running Oracle VM machine. So we have to put 2048 2 GB RAM in this virtual machine. So next, and the create a virtual machine hard drive. Now create NVIDIA VirtualBox disk image. So this is the default, so we cannot change the radio button. So next, and the dynamically allocated fixed size. So we should the radio button dynamically allocated. And next, this is the showing the how will be the HDD in your virtual machine. So this is the default 12 GB. Then we have to change the value 40 or 30 GB. We should the 40 GB. And this virtual machine hard disk mean secondary storage. So this is the 40, 50, 80, next up to the 2 terabyte, 4 MB to 2 terabyte. So we should put a 40 gigabyte hard disk in this virtual machine. So create. Now the virtual machine has been created. So we should change some settings in this virtual machine. We have to go settings, and the general have as usual. So we have to go system. The fluffy mark will be not here, and the hardware clock HTC time not here. So in the 2 gigabyte RAM in this virtual machine, that is the enough fine. So we have to go storage means the display means it's the virtual machine displayed it. So it will be the 16 MB or 64 MB. So we should put 64 MB, and then you have to go storage means you have to select your iOS from where you run your Oracle Linux ISO. So I have a Oracle Linux ISO in my local drive ISO. So I select the local drive ISO, then put networks, everything as usual. So OK, put, then OK, then start. The virtual machine is starting now. So we have to set up the Oracle Linux 6.7 5.7. So it will be a first step to install Oracle Linux 64-bit. So we should tab button for skip, then spaces. So it's running for the installer. Yes, it is the Oracle machines installation. Second steps, the next English, US English, and the basic storage device, special storage device. We should mark a basic storage device. This is the default marking. So next, and you should keep your data or discard your data. You should no keep any data. So you have to keep data, and yes, discard any data. You have deleted your all hard drives data. so I have to fresh installation for describe any data, and this is the Docker name. So I will configure it after installation. So now next, and the time zone Asia, Dhaka, and sysclock is unmarked. So next, this is the password for your super user, means root password. Root is the super user in your every Linux user know that the password, it will be the 6 or 8 characters. So I will put in some password in here. So it will be it need to the login root password. So when the finished installation, then we have to login root and put this password. So you must remember your password for next login. So next, use password. This is the simple password, so use anywhere, and there are many options. So you will have to the partition. This is the partition for your Linux table. So you can create your partition is manually, and you can create a partition as usually the default as a system. So use all spaces and create a partition from as usual in your system. So put next, write change to disk, yes, this is the installation part. So if the customization later, customization now, I will select the customization now. Next, this is the main purpose base. So I will simply some service. So we should uncheck all of service. We have some ways, client management tools, console dial-up. Client management tools have not here. So client compatibility library, then you have the hardware monitoring and utilities, then large systems performance, and network file system clients, then performance tools, then Perl support, and enough for the marking. So we have to go servers. Server have the system administrator tools. So server platform system administrator tools, and the optional package, we will select the Oracle pre-installs 11G, and the Mark 11 pre-SQL and less use. So Oracle RDMS server 11G R2 pre-install 1.7.0 is just searching the systems, or Oracle single instance or real application cluster for Oracle Linux 6. This is the pre-installer. So is the Mark is the pre-installer. So we should know the configure the pre-install. It will automatically install your Oracle all pre-installers. So now close, and then we have to go the desktops means desktops data select desktop, select desktop platforms, and desktop platforms, and fonts, general purpose of desktop, graphical administrative tools, input methods not showing the KDE, and the X Windows systems. And then we have to the application, and the internet browsing, and development is the additional development and development tools must be additional tools and development tools. So the application mark. So that's it. So we have to go the next. This is the installation. So the Linux machine is starting. When it's finished, hello. Now the installation has been complete, and now the window of the setup window, like you have to create a one user and the time zones and other information. So you have to the setup option. This is the setup options in the Oracle Linux 6 or Oracle Linux 6. Now the welcome windows forward, and yes, I agree the license agreements. This is the setup software update, so I don't have any restart, so it's better. No, I prefer to restart later forward, and it's showing the no thanks, I'll connect later forward. And this is the user, so I have to the user Babu Nazmul username, full name Nazmul Haq Dunya, and password 23456 Nazmul Haq Dunya. Yes, forward. And this is the KDAM, so I don't need the KDAM installs, just unmark the KDAM enable finished. Yes, okay. The server, the VM machine will be the restart soon. So the virtual machine is set up and finished. So the virtual machine is running as soon as log in your root password. So now the virtual machine is running, and we have to log in the root user from this virtual machine. User others, click others, and you type root and type password for the root. So the Linux server is running, and okay, so we have to configure and install Oracle 11.0 release 2 11.2 install on the Oracle Linux 6. So the VM machine is ready to work, and now we have to install Oracle database 11.0 release 2 to 11.2 installation Oracle Linux 6. So wait for the next video, and we will configure the Oracle database 11.0 release 2 install on Oracle Linux 6 in the next video. So subscribe to my channels, and like this video, and will get update for the new videos. So I have to install all the next videos, so you have to wait for the next videos for 11.0 installation. Thank you for your watching.